Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. This video is gonna be a 3-day itinerary to Lake Tahoe. Let's get into it. First day is gonna be arriving to our destination, so it's gonna be not that easy to do a lot of things for most of us, so I recommend to walk by the lake and see amazing beautiful views around, just stretch a little bit after that long road trip. We were ill almost all month, that's crazy, I know, and we only started to get out of it closer to this vacation getaway, and our baby got sick while traveling, so we didn't do as much, but I still will try to show you guys as much as possible. I want to mention that here we will not show any skiing or snowboarding, since simply we don't do that, but I know a lot of people who are fans of this come to the Lake Tahoe area specifically for the skiing. After you head over to Emerald Bay. This area offers one of the best views, if not the best, in the Lake Tahoe area. We got lucky on this trip because we didn't have to leave our place. It had cozy fireplace, hot tub, amazing views of the surrounding areas, so that was perfect timing. I could take a glint wine and enjoy it a little bit as much as I could, with baby crying and being upset because she was ill. But I still took that nap moment and enjoyed a hot tub a little bit and the surrounding views, and yeah, let's just see. It was something else. I guess we were really lucky with our place because we didn't even have to get out of it because it had everything. It had amazing views, hot tub. So it really helped so much because we could spend quite a bit of time just sitting there and looking out of the terrace and enjoying the hot tub. I was just mesmerized with these views and tried to take a glint wine and just enjoy the beauty around. Even though our baby did not sleep well because being sick, I tried to use every nap opportunity to dive into this hot tub and enjoy a little bit, and honestly just heal from all this craziness, motherhood and everything, happening in life. You can definitely plan a spa day because there's multiple resorts that offer spa options to the center of the place, and wow, you can see these sky gondolas, and you can go up and see amazing views of Lake Tahoe and ski and snowboard if you're a fan of that, or simply walk around, see beautiful places, cafes, restaurants, choose something that is more up to you, or visit the local businesses. It's a truly interesting experience to see all of this. Our toddler is very active, so we didn't want to stress out too much. That was also one of the reasons why we didn't stay too active on this specific trip, and we just enjoyed those walks and little hikes around. We didn't go to hike for miles. We just enjoyed doing snowmans next to the lake, and it had such an amazing, beautiful sunset views. Let me know in the comments when you plan to travel here, or if you've been here before and your experiences. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and see you again in the next videos. I will add here a little footage from our trip because that was a really beautiful experience as a family. We got to get my mom helping out, and that was beautiful time right before actually the new year, so that was really exciting to be able to enjoy those little moments together as a family. Bye.